Okay. This is carrots and broccoli. Do you like it? Is it good? You like it? Try a little bit more? Try a little bit more? I guess no broccoli and carrots, huh? Is it that bad? Is it that bad? Mommy likes broccoli. You don't like carrots, though. What do you say? You want some more or no? Anna? Hey, you want some more? No? Okay, no broccoli and carrots. We'll go get you some fruit, alright? Love you.